Hello everyone. So today we are going to solve this problem of the day, make array elements equal. So in this problem we are given an integer n, which is size of our array, and the elements of the array are generalized as 2 multiplied by I plus 1. So we have zero based indexing. So yeah, the first element would be 2 multiplied by AR of 0 would be 2 multiplied by 0 plus 1, which is 1. The second element would be 2 multiplied by 1 plus 1, which is 3. The third element would be 2 multiplied by 2 plus 1, which is 5, and so on. So yeah, we get an array of 1, 3, and 5. So what are we required to find out? We are required to find out the minimum number of operations required to make all elements equal. So in this problem, what are we supposed to do is we have to increase an index I by 1 and decrease index j by 1. That's all. That's all we have to do, and we have to find out how many minimum number of operations are required. These operations, these increase decrease operation, how many minimum number of operations are required to make all the array elements equal. So in the first test case, let's understand the problem to this test case n equals 3. So yeah, for n equals 3, we already have this test case ready. So n equals 3, we have 1, 3, and 5. So keeping 3 constant, we can increase 1 by 1 and decrease 5 by 1. So we get 2, 3, 4. And again, we increase 2 by 1 and decrease 4 by 1. We get 3, 3, 3. Yeah, yes, I hope you understood. So yeah, minimum set of operations we performed is 2. So our output would be 2. So yeah, and for the next test case, let's see. For n equals 2. So we will be having 1 and 3, only two elements. So for the two elements, we can increase this 1 by 1, increase this 1 by 1, decrease this 3 by 1, we get 2 comma 2. So yeah, we have our array elements equal. So yeah, the output would be, since we have performed only one operation, output would be 1. So if you follow this approach, if you keep on finding out the minimum number of operations for n equals 3, 4, you will be having a formula for n equals when you have n equals this even, when n is even, you have the formula n by 2 multiplied by n by 2. And in case n is odd, you have n multiplied by n plus 1 divided by 2. Yeah. Or you can say that mid multiplied by mid, in case of in case of even, in case of you have n equals even, all right? When n is even, you have mid multiplied by mid. This is the number of operations you're performing. And for odd, in case of odd, when n is odd, you have mid multiplied by mid plus 1. So yeah, let's implement this on code. Yes. So we'll be having long variable, because you can check in the test case. Actually, your code won't run in if you take int or long. You have to take long data type, right? And we'll be returning if n mod 2 is if our is n is even. Here I'm using ternary operator, so we return mid multiplied by mid, and else we return mid multiplied by mid plus 1. So let's give precedence, and yeah, let's run the code. Code is running fine. Let's submit it, and yeah, if you have any doubt in this problem, make sure you comment and I will try to resolve it. Thank you.